Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set password in laptop Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. To set password in Windows 11, we need to hit right click on the start button, then click on settings. Here click on accounts, then scroll a bit and click on sign in options. As soon as you came on this window, from here I'm going to show you two processes. The first process is for the ones who are using local account. So you can see this is my local account. So here you just need to see for the option password. So the password is right here. So we just need to click on this little arrow and just click on add, and now you can just set your password whichever you want. So let me type my password here. You can just give the hint as well and then just click on next and now click on finish. So this is how you can set your password in local account. But if you're using Microsoft account just like this is the email address which I have provided to Microsoft, and here you can see there is no option for password. So in order to get that, just turn off this option which is hello sign in for Microsoft accounts. Once you turn off this, just again click on accounts to refresh that page, and once you refresh it, again click on sign in options here, and now you can see the password option is added. But in order to set the password in your PC, we need to remove the pin first. So if you have already set the pin before, we are going to remove that. Just click on this little arrow, then click on remove, again click on remove here, and now we are going to provide the password which is of our Microsoft account. So just type your Microsoft account password, then click on OK, and yeah, there you go. As you can see, my pin is removed from my PC. It means from now I can use my Microsoft account password as my laptop password. But if you want to change that as well, just click on this little arrow, click on change, and just confirm the password which you're using for your Microsoft account, and now you can just set the password for your Microsoft account and your laptop. So the same password is going to be used for your Microsoft account and your laptop. And yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can set password in Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.